everyone, we are back in Calahonga. I seem to remember that I didn't upload my last video blog that I did when I was last here, so I will do it now because it's been like a month. I have a crop top, looks great, so I'm just gonna keep working on that until it's practical to use, and I'll make a prototype. I'm still waiting to see more fabrics. I sat here for a minute because it's pretty nice here and there's shade. You might have noticed I've gone from wanting to tan as much as possible to deciding I'm tan enough and I'm just gonna cover myself from now on completely, head to toe, with my hat. The beach is alright, but the novelty of the beach this year has already expired for me. I was at the beach yesterday. Don't really fancy beach today. I just don't want to get sticky and dirty, and also I'm kind of hungry. I think I'll have to go home. I dreamt with my grandma today, which I was really happy about because I've been trying to work on connecting with her again. I'm doing a self-massage because the other day doing Kundalini I totally messed up my neck and now I have this stiffness. And you know how I feel about stiffness. If you have stiffness and it hurts, you have to keep moving it. It's really important. Don't stop moving it and massaging it and touching it and even doing exercise to the extent that you can. You can always push a little bit more than you think. Oh my god, we have a flower. I'm so excited. This is the first flower for a rose bush that I have taken care of by myself. I'm so proud of her. Oh, it looks beautiful. Look what we have here. I was trying to take some pictures upstairs because the light was really beautiful and I was taking these beautiful pictures with just my shirt, and the neighbor in the rooftop opposite mine is like standing there and I'm like, excuse me? Well, I think that was a very successful test. I hope you enjoyed that. Join me on Thursday where I will be doing this but better. Me and the family, a new girl has joined us this morning. Why do all my plants have hair on them? It's not like I am inside these plants the whole time. Everyone starts to look outside like they've never seen the sky before, and everyone wants to walk outside like it had never been done, and everyone dives into the ground like into the stars tonight, and everyone starts to realize it was never shown to us. So this is the situation with this rose bush. She's doing really well, however, the rose buds look like they just went through an acid attack. I'm not sure why. There's another one coming over here, tiny one. We shall see what happens. This is a different type to the other one. And this one has bugs in the ground, so I also don't really know what to do about that. But her leaves are really healthy. So all in all, she does look healthy, although there's like hair on it. It's so weird. This one is supposed to be pink, but then the other one was supposed to be pink. I bought it as a pink rose, and then it turns out they're pale yellow, which I also wanted a pale yellow one, but I didn't think that I had bought one. I supposedly bought 2 pink ones, but look how big she is. She's doing really well.
Opposite side. Inhale, sweep the left leg behind you. Good. Beautifully done. Lift the right heel up, keep the left leg straight. Bring the shoulders over your wrists. Now, bend the elbows and pull your left knee to the upper left arm. Let the knee rest against the arm. Take the weight forward, let the head come forward and lift your right leg up. Good, that's it. Debs, draw the elbows back a little bit in, hug them in. Yeah. Or lower back, okay, no worries. And then inhale, take the leg back, transition. Very nice.
I'm having a little walk. As you can see, I am all matching. I am so 2003 with my Bali bag. I love this violet bag. It was the first expensive bag I ever bought. I was like really young. My mom got it for me. I wonder if the organic supermarket is open. Probably not. It's almost 9 p.m. on a Sunday. Sadly, it is closed. They opened a really nice organic store over here. Hi, this is me. I don't recommend this outfit. I'm getting so much attention for some reason. This is how intimate I am with my post office guys. I've had 3 deliveries while walking down the road. People who have seen me and stopped and given me packages. Dude, this hat keeps blowing away in the wind. You know, I have started using one of those skinny scarves, like a twilly, to put it around it. I don't have it on right now because it wasn't windy at all. But literally, the slightest breeze makes this hat go all over the place. And I love this hat because it's great. It can get wet, you can fold it. It's awesome. It just flies like a feather.